Okay, chapter 5, chapter 4, one more, break even, okay, break even, break even level of output. This question, they long time never come out, ask you to draw one, okay, not sure if they ask you to draw, but paper 2, I think, not really lah, but if they ask you to calculate, maybe, break even, okay, break even, no, paper 2 don't have, normally paper 1. But paper 2 will ask you to calculate break even. Yongxi, retailer only. Wholesaler cannot. Wholesaler, they buy in large scale one, large quantity. So they must have inventory, yes. Retailer can save only. Retailer only buy what they need, the quantity that they need. If we use around several chapter, in the answer, so we somehow impress examiner. Actually, you're telling me or you're asking question? Hold on. Yeah, a lot of people asking question, so I miss out. What do you mean, Ashley? Ashley's son. You're telling me something, is it? Or you're asking me? I don't get your question. Like we use subchapter in one answer. Okay, like we use several chapter in one answer. I mean, this is the overall subject, like increased profit, lower cost. All this is the common knowledge. You can apply in your explanation. Yes. Okay, chapter 5, calculation, sources of finance. You must know the source of finance, where internal, external. Okay. But this one have to pay attention, guys. This one, pay attention. If you want to write issue shares, right, make sure the question you're referring to limited company. Sole trader and then partnership, they cannot issue share. Okay, you don't write issue share for those questions. Okay. Retain profit also. Retain profit only applicable to big company, like those companies set up long time ago. They will have retained profit. If the question told you like, oh, this business, the owner just started the business. You write retained profit, then maybe the examiner will write wrong. Because if the business just started, they wouldn't have any retained profit. They wouldn't have enough retained profit. So not encouraged to write retained profit. Okay, and we have cash flow. You must know how to calculate. Okay, inflow, outflow, net cash flow, opening balance, closing balance. Okay, closing balance carry forward to next month as opening balance. Why is cash flow not the same as profit? No, cash flow is like everyday thingy. Everyday thingy, the cash come in, cash come out. Profit is like a conclusion, overall conclusion. Normally it's like referring per month or annually. They will compute a month or for annually one per year. Cash flow is the money come in, money come out, money goes out. So it's called cash flow. So analysis of account, users of account, yes. Okay, this one also have to know who find the account very useful. Okay, all the ratio. This one referring to ratio. The profitability ratio formula, you must know how to calculate. The paper won't give you any formula one. Okay, when they ask you to calculate GPM, profit margin, gross profit margin, the ROCE, return on capital employed. Okay, and then we have liquidity ratio also, current asset, and then exit test ratio. Okay, current ratio. This one you should know what's the formula for that. Okay, and then we have chapter 6, ethical issue on decision. Okay, this one you should know. I think it's quite popular these days. Ethical issue. Okay, sustainable development. Go have a look. Sustainable development, which means that the business try to increase the profit without damaging the environment. So it's called the sustainable development. Try not to use plastic try to use an eco-friendly material All this is called sustainable development. But you go for this option, right? The business cost will increase lah. External costs and all. Yeah, external costs, which mean like you set up this business in this area. What are the things that will affect people that are around your business? It's called the external cost. Not likely lah. Shenlin. Yeah, not likely, but there will still be chances. There'll still be chances lah. So is gross profit margin and net profit margin financial ratio? Yes. Yes, GK, yes. And there's one more called ROCE. You go study ROCE. Okay, rate of capital. And return of capital employed. Radish man. Yeah, not rate return of capital employed, yes. Okay, you go have a look of the formula. Okay, globalization. What are the opportunity lah? Okay. Opportunity and what are the limitation? Okay, basically the advantage and disadvantage. So for this question, you must also pay attention. You read the question carefully. Is it to business or to country? Yeah, read the question carefully. They want you to write the opportunity to the business or to the country. So make sure the point that you explain is correct. Don't confuse. Got difference one. When you say to business, which means you're able to increase your market share, increase your sales, increase your profit when you set up in the other country, isn't it? Okay, but to country, you're able to reduce the unemployment to the country. Different perspective. From the perspective on country, let's say there's a multinational company came into my country and they set up in this country. So this will reduce the unemployment because they will employ someone from my country. So two perspective, different point. You got different point. You get it right, GK? Yes. What can be the limitation to business? The trade barrier, the tax, the quota. I do my way. Got it? Trade barrier, tariff, all that. Yes. You have to pay tax already, your profit right now. You have to pay tax, the barrier also. Yes.